Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi everybody, how you doing today? Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
It's day 81 of the Quarantine Gardeners. That's Sean and I.
That's us.
And today is our Friday plant chat. Yay!
Yay! This is our daily video log of us accomplishing projects around our yard while under quarantine.
And thank you so much for being here and watching. We really appreciate it. And for those of you that have already subscribed, thank you. And if you want to go ahead and subscribe down below if you haven't already, then you won't miss our latest videos.
So guys, today we're going to talk to you about Campanula. We have two different species that we wanted to show you in our yard. Maybe you have these in your yard too. So here's our first Campanula. The botanical name is Campanula persicifolium.
It's also known as the peach-leaved bellflower.
Now we've got it in here. It's kind of gotten a little crowded, but you can see I'm moving our lupin away from here. We've got some vinca growing in here and we got to get that away from it. So what happens is it grows from a mound, but then it grows these long stems where it can grow up to about 3 feet in some cases. And it grows these large, long stems with all these blooms on it. Look how beautiful that is.
So not only do we love the color of these bellflowers, they are just gorgeous. They also come in white and different shades of purple. We love the cup shape because it attracts tons of pollinators. In fact, we just had to kind of be careful because there were some bees in here. We think we spotted a mason bee actually. So that's exciting.
Super cool.
But we've seen hummingbirds, we've seen butterflies and bees all surrounding these bellflowers. So that is a great pollinator attractor for your garden.
Now you can see we've got some older blooms here amongst some of the newer blooms. And so what you can do is pinch these back, like we've shown you in previous episodes. You can come in here and just clip or pinch these back where the blooms are, and then you don't have to look at them anymore, and the plant looks nice and tidy.
Plus, by pinching those off and tidying those up, we can try to promote new flower growth.
So guys, these plants really like partial to full sun, except in really hot climates. They'll like more shade than sun, and they like regular watering and well-draining but nutrient-rich soil. So guys, here is our second Campanula we wanted to show you. There's one there, and then there's one right there, and there's another one over there too. But we wanted to show you these. So these we think are Campanula carpatica.
So similar to the other bellflowers we showed you, these bellflowers also prefer well-draining soil. You can see that we have these surrounded by mulch to help retain moisture. So that's a really good idea, and they thrive here. They get full sun most of the day. They get lots of water.
And guys, something to consider here too is this species is a very low-growing, mound-spreading type of Campanula. Unlike the other Campanula we just showed you, which actually grows a lot taller than these do. And so something to consider, this also has different kinds of leaves, a different shape of a leaf, and smaller than the other Campanula, the persicifolium.
This Campanula blooms in the midsummer with a nice purple, beautiful flower that also attracts a ton of pollinators.
And that flower is a little bit smaller than the persicifolium we showed you.
So something to keep in mind, companion planting wise, if you're looking to add these to your garden bed, we have about 6 of these Campanula plants lining a walkway. Directly behind them, we have Shasta daisies, and behind that, we have crocosmia. So they all bloom about the same time. The Shasta daisies definitely stay in bloom the longest. We decided to make an edge with colors kind of ranging from purple to white to red. So it's almost like a red, white, and blue look. So we really love that look. And they all grow very well together. They all have the same needs as far as sunlight and water and soil. So these are great companion plants for your Campanula. It's hard to say companion and Campanula.
So we hope that was helpful to you, and maybe you learned something new about Campanula plants.
They're beautiful, they attract pollinators, you really can't go wrong. They're super low maintenance as well.
So if you have any comments or questions, leave those down below for us. We'd love to hear from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and also subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our newest videos.
And that's a wrap for today, you guys. We'll be back tomorrow with another new project, and we hope you have a great Friday ahead and a great weekend. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.